3D, or three-dimensional printing, is an additive manufacturing process as opposed to typical machining processes. For that reason, it's often used in rapid prototyping during the development process. But it can also be used in production with new, more expensive machines that have recently become available. The process itself is extrusion of plastic through a heated nozzle. The material is laid down in layers, starting from the bottom up. The machine shown here is a relatively simple demo machine. We do have more complex machines in our manufacturing labs at QCC. We use these machines to enhance our computer-aided design and solid modelling classes.